So we are minutes away from starting the first match of this Big Bash tournament. Falcons and Titans Falcons are batting and Titans are bowling. We would like to introduce few new features that we have this year. One of them is, like, of course, as you see on the SOBI channel, the live scoreboard. SOBI has done really hard. He's done a lot of collaborations with the cricket club to make that possible for you. So you don't have to change apps. Only keep that SOBI channel on your TV. Don't have to see anything else. So the score will be live on the channel. And then one more tournament that we have is the orange and the purple caps. And Anil is going to introduce what is that about.
Yeah, so this year we introduced this concept. There has been a lot of competition in the previous years, and we thought that, okay, let's build it one step ahead. So we brought this concept of having purple and orange caps. So as you know, even in IPL, purple caps are given for the most wicket takers, and the orange caps are for the most runs scorers. So what we are going to do is we will rotate these caps after every weekend games. So you will see many different players getting the same cap every other weekend. So please appreciate those people who are wearing these caps. And yeah. That's it.
Thank you.
Good luck for all the teams.
We also have a competition going on the SOBI channel itself. In the comments, let us know whom you think the highest wicket taker or highest run scorer in that match will be, and you will get a goodie prize on your inbox from SOBI. Thank you. They're ready to play, and as you know, Titan is bowling, so the field is set for them. Puvlu is ready on his marks to bowl the first ball, and the strike for Falcon will be taken by Mohammad Amin. He is the one taking the strike. He's also the captain, so he wants to start with a bang. And on the non-striker is Adil, who's taking the non-strike. And you can see the seriousness of preparation. Titans had a long preparation before the match. They had a big warm-up, they had a big catching practice, bowling practice, batting practice. So you can see the seriousness of the game, how serious Titans takes this Big Bash tournament. And why won't they? It's a big stake game. It's the highest stake game in Stavanger region. And it's not just here, but it's shown and viewed all around the world. So it's a big tournament. So the first match, first ball coming up. Stay tuned. There you go. Oh, first ball. You can see already the bounce from the pitch. It was a short ball, almost 4 meters in high over the batsman's head, given a wide, rightly so. So we've already started to see the colors of this pitch. It's a very hard pitch. As you see, the key was not going in by Anil, and Olu extracting that bounce. Oh, lifted on the leg side this time. Could be out. Could be the first wicket of Big Bash. And also, no, it's the first drop of Big Bash. That was pitched on the leg side. Did again bounce, but Amin knew, he rode the bounce and then took it up in the air. But there was a missed chance on the leg side. But they get 2 runs anyway. Oh, full length delivery right in the block hole, almost pushed to mid-on for a single run. So Amin is off the strike now with 3 runs on board. And first ball for Adil, he'll take strike. Oh, Yorker, that's the length you want to be in Big Bash, right in the block hole. Can't get under that ball. Takes 1 run, Adil. So all in all, in the circumstances, a good over so far from Puvlu, except that 1 wide. Oh, again, right on the money, Puvlu, as he is always. You can see that the pitch is a little slippery for him. You know, his leg is slipping a little bit. It's all the morning dew that's soon going to go away if the sun comes out. This one, he came down the track, but Puvlu bashed his shot. No run. Good change by Puvlu. Good change according to the situations by Puvlu. And funny to see this time, Chetan Tavade is not keeping for Titans. Oh, this time lifted in the air. Oh, this is out, and this time it's taken, no mistakes done, and Captain Amin departs. He was looking for that glory shot, but they had field placed right for that shot, and that's the first wicket for Titan, first wicket for Big Bash. And Publu ends up a good over in the end, like no boundaries conceded, just that one wide and few single doubles, but overall in the circumstances, it's a very good over, ending with one wicket.
कुणाल थोड़ा यहाँ से मुश्किल हो रहा है.
That last catch went way up in the air, but a very good take by Kunal in the end. Second over, Adil on strike. Sandeep Maan. Oh, that slow and loopy delivery by Sandeep Maan right outside the off stump. He's an experienced campaigner, Sandeep Maan. He's been playing Big Bash right from the beginning. Oh, that's a good delivery. Pitched on the good length area, rose from there. Didn't have any clue. Batsman could only play a single. Dare Khashating. Oh, this time lifted in the air. This could be out of the ground. Yes, and the first six of Big Bash comes in, Subhan. The very first ball he plays right outside the ground for 6 runs. And that's how they want to play. That's why they wanted to bat first, as Amin told in the interview during the toss. And now that's a good start. Oh, this time pull that length slightly shorter and then let the pitch do the work. Bounced from that good length. Could not get under it. No run. On the left side. And out! I thought that was a very good shot. Like, it just pitched on the leg side and he just swept it. But that's a very good catch. That's Swapnil standing on the square leg boundary. So after that first catch drop, they've held on to everything that came their way, and then yeah, it's a good work from Titan so far. Sandeep Maan with his successful wicket, even though he did go for that 6, but he pulled back. And now number 5, Hilala comes in. 12 रन पे 2 विकेट हो गया है यहाँ पर. टाइटन अच्छा बॉलिंग कर रहा है. बहुत आला बॉलिंग है. पोलैंड से, फॉरेस्ट एंड से बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं. 12 विकेट. So 6 का एवरेज से after 2 overs 12 runs and 2 wickets. So we know that the mornings can be a little slow on this pitch and it's not easy to score runs. But I think Titans will be very happy with that start. 2 overs, 12 runs and 2 wickets. They've got rid of their 2 main batsmen, Subhan and Amin. But they still have depth in the batting, Raptors. So let's see if they can get a reasonable total here. Kushal on the ball, and that's a short delivery. Oh, 2 people coming together. Call. There was no call. Madhu was coming under the ball, but in the follow through for his run up, Kunal just put a hands to it, and I think that distracted Madhu from taking that catch.
कुशल 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 है बॉल में
That was good bounce from the good length. You can see he's a tall man. He generates that bounce. Second delivery. That's a James Bond catch. Pulled out of thin air, of nowhere. It's a very good catch by Kushal. And that's what you see, like they were practicing all their catches. You see a couple of missed catches, but they've held on to most of their catches, and that's the result. They've lost 3 wickets, the Raptors.
Guys, 1984
Just to tell you, this Big Bash has come a long way now. Like all the match officials have a walkie-talkie with them, just to ease that communication, right? Everyone has been given a Bafang walkie-talkie, just to ease that communication. And now Pacha, Akhtar Pacha coming all the way from Afghanistan. He plays for Kabul Raptors. Can he make a difference now? It's his first appearance in this Big Bash tournament. Let's see. Oh, that's a good bounce. You see that bounce coming up again from good length. It's going all the way to his chest height. Mix up! Is that out? Oh, that's unfortunate.
इसको कैसे उखाड़ेगा?
It was a mix-up and run-up, and there was definitely out. Good fielding, good throw, right on the money, and got them. The only thing they didn't do right was the stumps. They were out of the ground. They had to pick it up. So, well, that's how the rules of the games work. And then umpire Chandan right on the money. He knows all the rules. He's done the umpiring course. So, very good decision there in the end. So we already see the standards of umpiring, in this game. You see the red color jerseys, and it looks much more professional. So in the end, a very good decision by Chandan. Hilal on strike now. Oh, that's good delivery, good delivery. And Hilal gave the respect that was due for that ball. It's not easy to play on this wicket.
Shabba Kushal, Shabba boy, well ball boy. Come on boy, get him boy.
Picked up. But Amit standing there. Oh! Wow! Wow! What a throw! That was straight throw from long on, right on the middle stump. Oh! Hilal was not expecting that. You can see from his reaction, he was not expecting that throw. And he was way out of his crease. No need for third umpire for that decision. It's out. Oh, they're well. Libra shot. The Raptors are 4 wickets down already. A lot of pressure on the batsman. A lot of pressure on the new man coming in.
Batsman. Shah Khan.
Khan. Shan Khan. Singer Shan.
Khan.
Shabba Kushala, well ball boy.
Shah Rukh Khan on non-strike now. Oh, that's an outswinging delivery. Good ball. You see, it's getting tough to play that ball because of the height. He's bringing that ball from a high arm action, and then after pitching, it's bouncing because of the pitch nature. So it's not so easy. Very good over in the circumstances by Kushal. It's only 1 run given from that last over by Kushal. Very good over. So at the end of 3 overs, 13 for 4 wickets.
Kunal.
That's his brother bowling now, Kunal. Andy Flower, Grant Flower. They look very alike. Even Titans have a hard time finding out who it is. Which is Kunal, which is Kunal. Kushal. Yeah, me too. Oh, that one kept low. We haven't seen too much of that so far. Like we've all seen the balls bouncing, but that one kept low. So there is a patch in that wicket that will keep low. So watch out for that. All the other teams who are watching from home at this point.
Shabba Kunala.
Oh, that one pitched up. Drove on the offside, but there's protection there. Yoga Narayan. Kachra for Lhasa team is fielding on long off boundary. Very good work from him.
Shabba Kunala. Shabba boy.
Oh, full toss delivery on the leg side. Pulled away. I think it'll be called no ball. Yes, it is. Rightly so. And 4 delivery. A welcome boundary.
No ball plus 4.
A welcome boundary for Falcons there. Can we see a fight back from Falcons now? Mind you, this is the very first game of Big Bash, so the conditions and the pitch, because of the morning dew, it's not easy to play. So even a low-scoring game would be a good competition. So Falcons do have a chance to get a respectable total here. They should not be aiming for a big score. They should aim like an average par score and then defend that. They have good bowling in their team, so they have a good bowling side as well. So, and this time lifted up in the air. Oh, well stopped by Yoga right in front of the camera. He saved the ball, saved the boundary, and saved the camera all at the same time. Good shot. Oh, that was a diving effort on the leg side, but almost made it to the catch.
Shabba Kunala. Finish it well. Kunala. Shabba boy.
Now change of bats. He's called in for a lighter bat because he feels set in. Now he wants to go after the bowlers. Oh, well bowled. He's pitching in the right areas, Kunal. And that's the end of the 4th over. 21 runs at the end of 4 overs. 21 रन 4 ओवर के उपरांत.
इधर देख कुणाल. Point.
They have lost four wickets, Falcons, but they're still in the game. You know, this is a T10 format, so one good over can change the game for either side. They should look to bat till the end. Pacha should look to bat till the end and then get that bad bar over. One bad over and they're back in the game. Driven on the offside, straight to Yoga. He slipped a little bit. You can see that the pitch is still slippery and also is the outfield. 1 run taken. Shahrukh Khan. Oh, well bowled this time again.
Lovely, Buba.
There's movement off the pitch. It just pitched on the leg side and then moved outside on the off. So moved off the seam.
Kaba, Buba. Kaba boy, Buba boy.
Wow. What do you do with that ball? What do you do with that Jaffer ball? Can't hit it anywhere. And Pacha is doing the right thing. He's waiting for those loose balls. He's waiting for that bad ball to put it out of the ground because he knows his team is a bit of trouble with loss of 4 wickets. And this time full toss, he missed it. 1 run taken. So what do you think about the start, Anil, so far? Do you think it's they've lost 4 wickets, but they have like 23 runs so far. This is the 5th over going. What do you think of the start?
And there we have another wicket. I think based on the conditions, and the Titans knew it very well, that it's little damp and bowlers will do their job. So progress in the runs can clearly tell you where we land at this point in time. Afghan Falcons 23 for 4.
Aryan.
Now 5.
Aryan.
Aryan is a new man in. Gautam taking the catch. Good delivery, cut on the offside. Will they go for Zang? Oh, it's slippery. There's mix-up everywhere. Mix-up with the batsman, mix-up with the non-striker, fumble by the fielder, and the wrong throw on the wrong side. So that was the end of over. End of 4 overs.
5 overs.
Sorry, 5 overs. $23 runs in 5 overs. They need a big over, Falcons. And it's only a matter of 1 big over. I think they should target the 5th bowler from Titans. Rahula? So what do you think is the at-par score in this kind of situations? Because assuming it's early morning, first game, we don't know what the scores are at this point. What is your guess? Also, the viewers, just let us know in the comments section below. What is the at-par score, especially in this first game. We show you the pitch report as well. Not so good in the beginning for batsmen, but very good for the bowlers. What do you think, Anil, is the at-par score here?
Looking at the pitch, I think runner ball will be a very good score. By that I mean somewhere around 60 to 80, between 60 to 80. That's going to be a good score. Also, it depends on Falcons bowling. I've heard that they have got very good bowlers in their team. So yeah, it's going to be a good fight if they manage to score somewhere around 60 to 80.
Yeah, I agree with that. I mean, it's definitely not easy conditions. So 60 to 80 sounds like a good score. And then new bowler in Rahul. Rahul coming in from Matla end.
Aryan.
So Pacha facing Rahul's ball. Surprisingly, he decides to go around the wicket this time. Wide delivery, that will help. Saheeda, Derkha. Both Allah. Oh, short delivery. He's not bowling his leg spins, googlies at this point. He's just firing them in, Rahul. Normally he bowls like with leather ball, he bowls leg spins and googlies, but just the nature of the game, nature of the ball made him change that. Oh, and he tried to pull that on the offside. And that's because of the angle of the ball. He's firing it from the leg side to the offside, and then that pull, he hit it really high on the bat, so that's why it just went to the offside. Leg side, again a wide delivery. Helping Falcons slowly but surely. Leg side, in the gap for 1 run. So it's the first big bash for these two players, like Aryan and Pacha. They're playing the first big bash ever. So it's definitely a new experience for both of them. They are experienced players in other formats, but do they know what to do? And it's an out. And after some time of being patient, Pacha decided to hit one for 6, but he didn't time it very well, and then it got caught on the long on boundary.
Kushal.
Good catch by Kushal on the long on boundary. So Rahul gets a wicket there. And now one more debutant, Yasina, comes in the middle. Dekha bowling by Rahula. Oh, good delivery. Oh, one more wicket already. Catch dropped. That's the third catch dropped by Titans. But even after that, they're doing quite well with all those 6 wickets. Nervous times for Yasin. First delivery. Oh, it is out! Whoa, that's almost a hat-trick. If Gautam made that catch, then that's a hat-trick from Rahula. Well, tough conditions. You can see by the reactions, it's not easy to pitch or pick the ball from the pitch.
New batsman. Ashik.
So next batsman is Romantic Ashik. Sahida. Shaba. Oh, good delivery, pitched and moved away. Given a wide by umpire.
Okay. Lovely, Sapnil. Well tried, Sapnil.
We have very good officials this time in Big Bash. They're coming all the way from like Chandan works in Australia. He is the Big Bash, the other Big Bash in Australia umpiring. And Ganesh he's coming all the way from BCCI. BCCI has been nice to lend us the umpire. And this time lifted in the air, 6 runs. Wow, and you can see by the action of Ganesh, he's definitely coming from ICC now. He's been promoted to the ICC level 1 umpiring for raising that leg like a dog. Arsili Bowden. Oh, that's a good delivery. He pulled that length back. Oh, lifted on the left side. And that's 6 again. Is this that 5th bowler that they were targeting? Is this the over? 2 sixes already.
That's okay. Come on.
Falcons, the dugout is very, very pleased at this point with those 2 sixes. Aryan is playing his first big bash, but he's making a difference.
टप्पा लगेगा तो जाता है कनेक्ट हुआ तो जाएगा
Can he get one more? Can he make it a 20 over and over? Oh, that's nasty. Probably needs some helmet for that one. Ball is rising from that good line, so you know where to bowl for all the viewers and all the other teams that are watching from home. You know what length to bowl here. And this time looking up again. Will that go? Yes. It is out of the ground.
46
And it's that golden 19-run over. And Billy is getting his exercise in the ground. Silly Bowden. 7 overs, 46 runs at the loss of 6 wickets. 7 wickets. Beklager. And now Romantic Ashik on batting.
कुशल
Full toss done on the offside. No run.
इस कुशल right कुशल
So it's also the first big bash for Romantic Ashik as well. Ashik Sada Bahar. Forever Ashik. That's a wide delivery. That's definitely outside the wide line. Those singles will help Falcons. Trevor on the offside, will they run for it? Oh, will they take over through? Oh, Man is there. मोहन दुरुस्त और चौकन्ने वहां पर बैकअप करने के लिए. चीता की तरह फील्डिंग करते हुए पुबड़ू वहां पर पॉइंट कॉर्नर में. फील्डिंग लाइक ए टाइगर पुबड़ू, but not hitting the bullseye. Full toss. Slogged on the leg side. Will Rahul stop it? He uses his juta to stop it, and 2 runs. And that's 50 up for Falcons. 50 runs. And that's on the leg side. Will they stop it? No, that's 4 runs. He's hitting the balls, he's hitting the sixes, and he's hitting the gaps. He's playing a very crucial knock for Falcons here. 25 runs of 10 balls already. Two balls to go for this over. And the score is 54 runs in 7.4 overs. If they can get like 20-25 runs more, I think it's a defendable total with the bowling that they have. It can be an exciting match, exciting first match of Big Bash. Short ball on the offside, wide. Helping. Falcons. It's also given 1 for the over.
Normal stuff, normal thing.
Coming down the track of the offside this time. That's a big 6. Biggest of them all. Highest and biggest. And they've crossed 60 now. 61. 2 more overs to go and they are 61 now. We were earlier talking about what is the at-par score. Anil mentioned 60 to 80, but they've already crossed 60, so I think they are in a good position now. Will not be easy for Titans to chase anything beyond 70 or 80. It'll be interesting to see whom they go with the last 2 overs for Titans. They have a bunch of bowlers available at their end. Almost everyone can bowl. Amit, Yoga, Kublu, Madhu. This is in this slot. But they've taken a single, which is also good for Falcons because then Aryan will be on strike again next over. So at the end of 8 overs, 62 for 7. Given the start that they have, I think it is a very good total at this point. They have recovered quite well. And then they're going with Gautam. They changed the keeper and then now their regular keeper Chetan Tavade is back on keeping. Gautam on bowling now. Oh, good delivery. Right on the wide line. Right just inside the wide line. Not given a bite by Silly Bowden. Straight to the trophy. 6 runs. And you can see that leg raising up again. 6 runs given by Silly Bowden. There ka shotting. Oh, that's came down the track, but that ball was pitch short. Nahi maar paaye ball ko. 38 रन बना चुके हैं, 38 रन बना चुके हैं और अभी कीपर ऊपर आ गया है. फुल टॉस और दिखा दिया है इसको आकाशी शॉट 6 रन के लिए. हरियाणा जबरदस्त देर का शॉट है, बहुत आला. अफगानिस्तान से बहुत कमेंट आ रहा है हमको. He plays for Siddis. His coach is asking me to tell that. Oh, नीचे रही बॉल और पीछे निकल गई. He's taken a single off by, and then he's coming back again. देर का शॉट, देर का. सही था.
Come on, boys.
They've crossed that 75 runs mark now. Yeah, 75.
Ball, yaar, ball.
Oh, that's a good ball. That's a good ball.
और 7 तुमको बस से
Ashika.
वापस कब कल ही
Ashika.
They're bringing back the experience of Rahul to finish the proceedings for Titans. So at the end of 9 overs, it's 76 for 7. Can they get a big over here? The Falcons. Ashik forever on strike. सदाबहार आशिक बैटिंग कर रहे हैं. हमारा ऑफसाइड में 4 रन के लिए, लेकिन 1 रन मिलेगा. और आर्यन आगे स्ट्राइक पे, जो कि अफगान फाल्कन को चाहिए था. I think he should keep the strike for the whole over, in my opinion. Just try to hit as many sixes as possible. Rahul coming around the wicket for him. Leg side, called a wide. That will help. They're 2 runs away from 80. 78. You would think Titans have bowled well throughout the match, but I think last few overs they gave it away, and then I think they should just keep every ball tight, because in T10 matches, every ball matters, every over matters, every six matters. And that's hit on the leg side. Will they take two? You could see how eagerly RN wanted to get on strike, but that's one run only taken.
एक ही भागेगा वो.
That's full delivery on the legs.
Good ball, Raula.
Sadabahar Ashik played it on the leg side, one run. And they've touched 80 now, so it's 80 runs on board, which is a very good total in these circumstances. I think Falcons are very happy with that. Oh, that's a good ball, that's a good ball. That angle coming from leg side to the offside is making it difficult for Aryan to hit that ball, and then now they're having a chat. Sadabahar Ashik telling him his expertise. Last two balls. You can see he's coming down the track already. Wide.
Oh, बच गया.
Wide given, one run taken.
Well planned, well planned.
81 runs.
Chaba, well ball, Raula.
Two balls left. At least 1-6 Falcons would like to get out of this. And that's one of them. That's a 6-run. And that's half century for Aryans. One more ball. One more ball.
50-50.
What a half century when his team was down. He came in and chipped that 50 runs. अपना टीम को नीचे से उठा लिए हैं. 80 रन मार दिए टीम के लिए. 87 runs. And with the form he is going, I think Falcons would want to have one more 6. There ka shot, one more 6. And up in the air. Oh, 6 runs, yes. We were thinking of 60 runs, but they've exceeded 90. There are 93 runs. What an innings by Aryan there. 57 runs off 22 balls.
इधर
आर्यन बहुत देर का बैटिंग आपने किया वहां पे. आपका टीम एकदम नीचे चला गया था, लेकिन आपने पूरा उठा दिया उनको आसमान के ऊपर. यहाँ पे कमेंट्री में हम सब बोल रहे थे कि 60 से 80 रन बहुत है, लेकिन आपने 93 पहुंचा दिया. बहुत आला बैटिंग. आपने 50 रन 57 रन बनाया. कैसा आपको अंदर कैसा लग रहा था? पिच का कैसा ठीक है कि आपको कैसा दिख रहा था बॉल वहां पे अंदर?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. मेरा तो पहला मैच था और जब मैं अंदर जा रहा था तो सब ने बोला आहिस्ता खेलना, विकेट को रखना और जब बॉल मिलेगी तो हिट करना. वैसे उसी रोड से मैं जा रहा था तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम ऊपर आए और अच्छा स्कोर किया. और ऊपर से हमारा सब टीम का जो मोटिवेशन था, ताली बजा रहे थे, तो ये उसी का जोर था कि यहाँ तक पहुँच गया.
बहुत देर का. और सदाबहार आशिक ने भी आपका साथ दिया पूरा. जब भी आपको वो आप स्ट्राइक की दूसरी तरफ जाते थे, हर को उसने पहले बॉल पे स्ट्राइक दिया आपको, तो वो भी अच्छा आपका साथ निभाया. गुड पार्टनरशिप, गुड इनिंग्स, एंड आई थिंक गुड लक फॉर सेकंड इनिंग्स. थैंक यू. So, ladies and gentlemen, all our viewers around the world, welcome back in the second innings. And Titans have a task at their hand. They did bowl well in the beginning, but 97 run. First delivery from driven on the offside. Will that go for four? So 98 run is the target for Titans to make. And then opening is done by Kunal and Chetan Tavade. Chetan Tavade back from retirement again. Last year also he was back from retirement. Coming down the track already. Oh! And then the keeper is coming up because he knows Chetan is going down the track. Oh, that's missed that one. He's bowling some deceiving balls there, like the way his arm comes, you think that it's coming fast, but it's coming actually slower. Lifted on the leg side, will that be out? And it is! Oh, that's caught on the square leg boundary. First wicket goes for Titans. Not the start that they were looking for. Good catch by Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
नहीं शाह खान.
Shah Rukh Khan.
शाह एंड खान. सलमान खान का भाई.
बहुत देर का कैच पकड़ा है शाहरुख खान ने उधर. बॉलीवुड से अभी इधर आए हैं क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए. क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए आया है. देर का बॉलिंग हिलाला. Full toss ball driven on the offside. He's bowling a good line there. Very full length, right under the bat. He cannot get anywhere under the bat. Dot ball. That's flicked on the leg side for 1 run. So at the end of 1 over, it's 2 runs for Titans. So very good over in the circumstances. 2 runs, 1 wicket for Titans. Amina from Marline comes in.
शाबाश नहीं लगेगा मारेगा विकेट को मारो चल चल चल
Very good start by Amin. First delivery, a bit short, a bit fast. Rushed onto the batsman. Didn't have enough time to pull that ball. Only 1 run. Kunal on strike. Full delivery in the block hole. That's you can't do anything about that ball. Dot ball. You can see the Falcons are really pumped up now. After that innings from Aryan, they got the score needed and they have the bowling to defend it. Good delivery on the leg side.
ولك كريمة وصل ولو بيقفا
That's a full delivery, driven on the leg side. 1 run. Shah Rukh Khan stops it again. Short delivery pulled by Man. He's a short ball specialist. 4 runs, Sandeep Man. ये एक्स वॉरियर के प्लेयर है जिनको खरीदा गया है टाइटन में. पिछले 2 साल से इनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया गया है. साबित कर रहे हैं अपने आप को यहाँ पर बीच में. छोटी बॉल बहुत अच्छी खेलते हैं.
Deepak is watching, huh?
4 रन, पहला 4 रन टाइटन के लिए. Full delivery, driven on the offside in the gap. एक ही रन लिया, कोई घायल नहीं है. 1 रन. 2 रन के उपरांत 9 रन, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर. डेब्यूटेंट प्लेयर यासीना बॉलिंग कराएंगे अभी मातला एंड से। प्रॉमिसिंग नए प्लेयर हैं, अफगानिस्तान से मंगाए गए हैं अभी ये इंपोर्ट करके। और अच्छा डिलीवरी शॉट और ये आउट हो सकता था लेकिन एज का चौका जा सकता है। 4 रन नहीं, आउटफील्ड थोड़ी हैवी है, अच्छी फील्डिंग वहां पर और ये आउट। We could see right from the beginning that the running wasn't the swiftest for Titans. They do have the power to hit the shots, but not the running between the wickets, and then we lost a wicket. You can see how pumped these Falcons are. They are just getting together and pumping each other. They know how important this match is, the first match of Big Bash. And even though they were down under, they came up with that innings from Aryan. That innings from Aryan really rose them up and really pumped them up. And they have a lot of supporters here. Titans are in a bit of bother right now. They need what Aryan did for Titans also need one big innings, couple of big overs to get back on track. So Rahul is the new batsman on strike. Short ball. Called wide. Called one for the over.
ياسينا كتيزة مندي سرنيكي نورمال مندوخ لك عادة جملة تخيطوا لي بيها بعضك اسم مشكلة مش تخرع عوامي كل بالك.
Short delivery again, cut on the offside. There's a protection there. 1 run only taken. Wide on the leg side. Very good umpiring so far in Big Bash tournament. I think it's a level of umpiring has really improved. Thanks to ICC and BCCI for supplying. And we have Chandan Buckner and Silly Bowden in the middle. Oh, that's. We decided not to have a third umpire because these two umpires are good enough. Good fielding from Subhan there. On the offside. There's a loud appeal now in the middle. TV director to umpire. Check the snocometer. और ये लेग साइड में उठा के मारा है 6 रन के लिए राहुल गंगुड़े और ये टांग उठा दी है एम्पायर ने 6 रन के लिए। अभी ये मैच इंटरेस्टिंग होता जा रहा है। लाइक Titans also got the same start that Falcons did. Slow start, losing wickets, but then few sixes started to come, and I think this is going to go till the wire, till the last over. This is going to go. It's a very interesting match, very interesting score. Not too high, not too low. White ball. All of viewers around the world, we would like to know what do you think is the result of this match. Whom do you think is going to win? Please let us know in the comment section. Offside, called a wide. The bowler is chasing the batsman because he's moving on the offside, so
यार गुस्सा ना आराम आराम सर आराम से
At the end of 3 overs, it's 23 for 2 wickets. They are at a better stage as compared to Falcons, but Falcons had this big knock from Aryan afterwards. So, can they match that? They still need to keep that run rate high to have any chance of chasing that score of 93. 97, my bad. "71 more needed in 42 balls. The chase is on. उबैद जबर खेल नए बॉलर आए हैं. उबैद शिनवारी. अच्छी बॉल. Good pace, good line, good length. Good start by Ubaid. छोटी बॉल सर के ऊपर से वाइट का इशारा चंदन बकनर द्वारा. 1 for the over as well. दोबारा छोटी बॉल पुल कर दिया है फाइन लेग बाउंड्री की तरफ, लेकिन वह प्रोटेक्शन मौजूद है. एक ही रन मिलेगा. लूज बॉल थी, मार सकते थे 6 रन के लिए उसको, लेकिन पिच में मूवमेंट ज्यादा है, थोड़ा आसान नहीं है. ये रहा मुश्किल है. ऑफ साइड की बॉल. नहीं डॉट बॉल मार दी. अच्छी बॉल डाल रहे हैं उबैद. देर खा बॉलिंग बाय उबैद. और उड़ा के मारा है और ये कैच लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पे कैच ले लिया गया है और एक कुनाल आउट. That's an amazing catch by Subhan on the long on boundary. He was running to his right and catch was taken very low, close to the ground, but he kept his cool and take a very good catch. And now, like, at the loss of Kunal, Madhu goes in, Madhu Aburi. He's known for his power hitting, Madhu. Can he get Titans out of this situation? His teammates is telling him he have to run, but Madhu doesn't run. He only hits sixes. Actually, Madhu on strike now. Short ball, tried to pull it. Uneven bounce on the wicket. Stayed a bit low than Madhu expected. Gone below his bat. कोई रन नहीं. डॉट बॉल, पहला बॉल मधु का.
देखा ना कमेंट आ रहे हैं.
छोटी बॉल पुल कर दिया है, लेकिन वहां प्रोटेक्शन मौजूद है. ऑलवेज पुट प्रोटेक्शन वेर यू हिटिंग. जहां मार रहे हैं वहां प्रोटेक्शन जरूर लगाएं. ये आपके लिए बोल रहा हूं मैं.
इधर मैंने एक बॉल डाली थी
मैच का बॉल था।
हाँ वो चाहिए
26 for 3 in 4 overs. They need 68 more runs in 36 balls. Not a difficult task. Aryan, the new bowler.
سيد اخا مخكي بازي مخكي شاط بدك يا اخا
Try ball first.
سوي ساتزان سدازان مريانا وهيجي سړی خو حالات دا بیټسمین ته دی ځان
Wide ball, belly ball. Aryan ki wide delivery.
مريانا اوف ستم وسات اوف ستم
Oh, around the wicket डाला है. Dot ball.
مريانا
He's pitching it in good areas.
دا بیټسمین نه دی دا بیټسمین نه دی
और नीचे से फ्रेंच कट मारा.
شاط مکوا کدیله شاط وکړای وای
एक रन ले लिया है मधु ने. अपना अपना खाता खोल लिया है. राहुल ऑन स्ट्राइक अगेन. फुल टॉस पे उठा के मारा है. वहां पे फील्डिंग मौजूद है और क्या हवाई फील्डिंग की है वहां पे. एकदम हवा में उड़ते हुए बॉल रोक लिया है. कैच जरूर गिर गया लेकिन बॉल बहुत रोका है शुभान मलिक ने. बहुत देर का फील्डिंग.
मेरी बात सुनो सिक्स कैप्टन आपने
Saved a certain six there.
शाबाश शाबाश
Pull that ball on the leg side. He'll take a single, Madhu.
شاط مکوا
He's doing the right things, giving strike to Rahul here. Rahul is the one hitting. He's already hit 1 6 and then the other couple of almost sixes. Now he changed sides, coming over the wicket now. Silly Bowden checking something. Oh, in the block hole. Appeal for LBW. But he's bowled. क्या बात है. पैर के अंदर से निकाल दिया छेद करके. विकेट. आर्यन अपना मैन ऑफ द मैच का खिताब पक्का करते जा रहे हैं धीरे धीरे विकेट लेते लेते. राहुल एक महत्वपूर्ण विकेट गिरा है यहाँ पर राहुल का. अच्छा खेल रहे थे. लेग साइड में 2 छक्के मारे ऑलमोस्ट ने. अभी कुशाल आए हैं नए बल्लेबाज मधु का साथ देने के लिए. Complains about the ball from the Titan side. Oh, that's good delivery. It's definitely cloudy here, so that's why not so visibility is not easy for the batsman. Also, like because the damp wicket, the pitch, the ball is taking some dirt, and the Titans are complaining that the ball is little low visibility. Sometimes you complain when you get out. That's part of the game. But umpires are going to check with the light meter now. 30 balls more remaining, 5 overs remaining, and 64 runs. So halfway down the innings, they made 1/3 of the runs, 2/3 more to go. 64 runs more needed. They really need to accelerate now. They need more than double runs they made so far in 5 overs. Number 7, Ubairullah. Madhu Aburi needs to hit now big. And he did! Didn't middle the ball, didn't time the ball. Only for a single. You can see the intention is there from Madhu to hit a 6. But the pitch isn't so good, so behaving. Next ball. Oh, good ball on the offside, right in that channel of uncertainty. ब्लॉक होल में मारा है, अंदरूनी किनारा लेके बॉल निकल गई है पीछे की तरफ 1 रन के लिए. और ये मधु ने उठा के मारा है. 2 प्लेयर नीचे आ रहे हैं कॉल करके, लेकिन उबैदुल्ला ने कैच कर लिया है. कॉटन बोल्ड उबैदुल्ला. मधु आउट. They really need to turn the wheel on now, Titans. They need a lot of runs. And not enough balls left. The star player Pubulu comes out in the middle. Pubulu maro chakka. Oh, good delivery on the offside. Very good delivery. Could not get under it, Pubulu. First ball up. Dot ball. That was fast. That was fast and full. And furious. What a over by Ubaid, this one. 2 runs and 1 wicket, 6 overs, 32 runs. And then now 24 balls left and 62 runs needed. The run rate is climbing up. Titans do need to step up the game if they want to win this one. Full delivery in the block hole, driven on the leg side. Subhan there. Will only be a single.
इतना फिट कैप्टन देखा 37 years old.
Boundary. 4 boundary.
بس خبرنا خلاله under 19 मैं सोच रहा हूँ इसको हेलो क्या हो गया स्कोर इनफ नहीं फील्डिंग नहीं करो नहीं वो मेरे को लगा थोड़ा पिच मारेगा तो खुद पकड़ता चोट
अच्छी बॉल. जिस हिसाब से हिलाल बॉलिंग कराते हैं अपने बॉलिंग में थोड़ा सा कट डालते हैं, तो वहां पे लेग साइड में पड़ के बॉल ऑफ साइड में आया. बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी का मुजाहिरा. 20 बॉल पे 55 रन चाहिए. 20 balls 55 runs. Can Pubulu make a difference? पिच खोद के डॉट बॉल निकाला है.
पिच खोद के गड़ा खोद है.
पिच खोद के डॉट बॉल निकाला है. हिलाला का डेर का बॉलिंग बहुत आला, कोई रन नहीं दे रहे हैं हिलाला, अच्छे चैनल पे बॉलिंग करा रहे हैं। और ये उठाया ऑफ साइड में, क्या ये कैच हो सकता है? आर्यन बिहाइंड इट। उबैदा की अच्छी फील्डिंग, वहां पर एक ही रन मिलेगा, मुश्किल करते जा रहे हैं इनके लिए। 3 ओवर बचे, 54 रन चाहिए 3 ओवर में। 54 चाहिए, 54 runs in that 18 balls. मुश्किल है लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं है।
अंपायर आपको बोले टॉस उठाओ। फैसल ए देबू को भेजो टॉस के लिए, देबू को भेजो टॉस के लिए। बेबो ला देबू सो गए।
अरे एक उंगली लगाने का 10 करोड़।
एक्सक्यूज मी आर्यन
ए सुभान, ये देबू नहीं है, देबू है सुभान मलिक। इसे मसाज दे ना भाई, वैसे भी आपका स्टूडेंट। अच्छा मसाज कौन दे? ये क्या प्लान है? मेरे लिए मेरा मसाज सुभान भाई नॉर्मली रनिंग करो वरना
नए बॉलर शुभान मलिक आए हैं मारलाइंड से। बहुत ही बेहतरीन बॉल, सीधा पहली बॉल ब्लॉक हेल में। कोई मौका नहीं पुबलू के लिए इसको उठाने का, छक्का मारने का, चौका मारने का। अच्छी बॉल पहली बॉल शुभान की। सुभान अल्लाह। और दोबारा वही सेम बॉल, बहुत ही बेहतरीन बॉलिंग। Publu will have to make some changes. और you can see he came down the track, Publu, just to make that Yorker into a full toss. He did manage to do that, but could not get it over the line.
भाई मेरे को लगा क्यों तुम बोले पकड़ो कितने छोड़ो।
That was a good try by Falcon, Aryan. लेकिन कैच नहीं हो पाया। In the block hole again, will that go all the way? It's 6. That was well taken by Hilala, but he just went over the line. 6 runs. That's a good 6. That'll bump the Titans up. Can they hit few more of those? They need 4 more of these, 4-5 more of these. On the leg side, given a wide by Chandan Baknar. Again in the block hole. Rocket throw by Hilal. Only 1 run taken. Full toss. Hit on the leg side. 1 run. And that's 50 runs up for Titans. A bit too late though, but nevertheless, can they make a difference? Last 2 overs.
Shabe, last 2 overs. Come on, boys.
12 balls, 44 runs. Very difficult at this moment, but not impossible. मुश्किल है लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं है।
आमीन मोहम्मद आमीन
दबा के
यार बड़ी याद आती है मगर आप तो हुजूर आते नहीं कभी।
अमीन मारूफ खेल दूसरा ओवर डाला था इनने अभी लास्ट ओवर डाल रहे हैं।
तुमको देखते रहता हूँ तुम्हारा कभी वीडियो तुम खेल रहे हो।
गुड बॉल, तेज आउट स्विंगिंग बॉल, अच्छे लेंथ पे पिच किया है बॉल को, कोई मौका नहीं है कुबड़ू के पास। In the block hole, well stopped by his legs. Again a dot ball, 2 dot balls, not helping Titans here.
जब भी देखता हूँ आपको
Good delivery on the offside, driven. Singles would not hurt Falcons at this point. You can feel the shoulders down from Titans' side. Good delivery in the block hole again. Will that be out? That's an appeal there. Or run out. On the offside, and what a catch! Aryan taking another catch yet in the match. And now it's almost looking very, very dark for Titans from here on.
Huh?
43 more in 7.
Come. क्या कब अनिमक की वीडियो है
और ये बॉल लेग साइड में 9 overs 51 for 7, last over 40, 3 runs needed. Almost impossible task for Titans here. They need 6 sixes and a bit more. 7 sixes to draw the match of 6 balls. And 1 no ball. So if they can bowl 1 no ball and they can hit 6 of all the 7 balls, that's the only way they can make it. So all Falcons need to do is no ball, a no ball. और ये आखिरी ओवर फिर से सुबान कराएंगे. अच्छा ओवर डाला इन्होंने, सीधा ब्लॉक होल में सारी बॉल. क्या पुबड़ू 7 छक्के मार सकते हैं? पुबड़ू चक्का इनका नाम है, लेकिन एक रन ही लेंगे. 5 balls left, 42 runs needed. Next to impossible, and both teams know it, right? There's no sense of urgency from Titans at this point, and quite relaxed from Falcons. They know the game is theirs. Oh, good ball this time, wide delivery. 41 runs needed now, 5 balls. Seems like almost a formality now for Falcons. Good delivery. Big appeal from Ashik Sadabahar. väldigt god ball och ja. It's really amazing ball from Subhaan here. It's not easy for anyone to pick that one.
दीपक की saying commentary में क्या-क्या बोल रहे तुम?
It's next to impossible for Titans here to win this one from here.
Vishal
To
in
be
the
a magic
Norwegian
from
board.
Valhalla. Oh, that's some aggressive. That's an aggressive throw right on the chest of Gautam. And Publu lifts this one in the air. It's a good catch by Hilal. He learned from his mistake. Last time he made a catch, it was outside the boundary, but this time he judged very well and gave it to Aryan. So very good catch by Hilal in the end. And that's the end of Publu. So Bhaskar comes in for the last ball for an impossible task of 40 runs in one ball. It's not at all possible in modern day cricket. In book cricket it is possible. Bhaskar on strike, left-handed batsman. Good delivery again on the leg side, off the pads. Leg by given, no run taken. And that's a comprehensive victory by Falcons. And definitely a very good contribution from all of them. A good over from Subhaan. Both the overs were very good bowling. But in the end, Aryan was a hero. He made like the change, the difference for Falcons, and 57 runs made. All those sixes, and that also in very tough situation when Falcons were all down. He hit those sixes and then made that difference. He took a couple of good catches in the wicket also. So very happy, I think Falcons. You can see in their faces, and Titans a little disappointed. They had a very good start in their bowling, but lost their way towards the end. They just took, I think they took a little bit less serious. Once they got all those initial wickets and good overs, but and then Aryan managed to sneak in that gap. Good win by Falcons. Afghan Falcons. Derka. तो मेरे साथ अभी मौजूद हैं दो होनहार प्लेयर जो अपना पहला बिग बैश खेल रहे हैं, और पहली जीत पे आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक दोनों को। तो आपको मतलब ये मैच तो बहुत अच्छा खेला, आर्यन की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही बेहतरीन थी। आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आप दोनों का पहला बिग बैश है, अपना थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस बताइए यहाँ पर बिग बैश में खेलने का, कैसा अंदर से कैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है?
एक तो बड़ा बात ये है कि इस नॉर्वे जैसा मुल्क में और ऐसा बड़ा टूर्नामेंट, और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो ये था, आज के बॉल भी नए था मेरे लिए और बैटर्स, और ये पिच भी वो डिफिकल्ट पिच है ना, और बहुत अच्छे मैच हुआ, बहुत एंजॉय किया मैंने आज। यस।
और आशिक जी, आपने हमारे साथ आर्यन के साथ आपने पूरा बेहतरीन साथ दिया पूरा बैटिंग में। वो मार रहे थे लेकिन आपने सेंसिबल दिमाग से उनको सिंगल दे के स्ट्राइक दिया। तो आपको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो जीत के लिए। और आपको कैसा लग रहा है बिग बैश खेल के, अपना थोड़ा बताइए।
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
और आर्यन हमारे साथ मौजूद है, बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको, बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशंस, मुबारक ये मैच जीतने के लिए। और आप मैन ऑफ द मैच भी है हमारे साथ, तो ये वर्चुअल ट्रॉफी लीजिए। और ये मैच विनर, ये ऑल्सो डेब्यू, पहली बार डेब्यू कर रहा है बिग बैश में, लेकिन आपने बैटिंग अपना बहुत इंप्रूव किया और बहुत बहुत अच्छा शॉट मारा। तो थोड़ा बताएंगे अपना कैसा बैटिंग के बारे में दोबारा से?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि हमारा लिए सब कुछ नया था, और जैसे हमने सोचा था वैसा हो गया, क्योंकि और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा गया। जैसे हमने खेला, हमने बोला और जब हम बॉलिंग पे भी आए थे तो हमको ऐसा लग रहा था कि कुछ अलग करेंगे, लेकिन वो भी अपने ढंग से कर दिया। लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत खुश हूँ कि हमने पहला मैच था और पहला मैच हम जीत गए और इंशाल्लाह आगे भी ऐसे ही खेलेंगे। बस आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए।
और एक बात तुझे भी बताना होगी कि इसके बैटिंग कोच कौन है, तुझे पूछना पड़ेगा।
इनका बैटिंग कोच तो हमें पता है, कोई बाहर से पठान आया है, कोई कोचिंग। अपना बैटिंग कोच के बारे में बताइए, उनको शुक्रिया कीजिए।
एक्चुअली मेरा बैटिंग का कोच जो है वो है पाचा, और हमारा एक मेरा दोस्त है जो हमको बॉलिंग सिखा रहा है और बैटिंग भी सिखा रहा है। तो नया कोच जो मेरा है वो आजकल ये है, ये तो गया तो मैं उसको बुलाऊंगा कि वो यहाँ पे कुछ बोल ले।
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया। बहुत बहुत बधाई हो हिलाल, आपकी बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग, बहुत अच्छे आप कटर डाल रहे थे वहाँ पर।
यार शुरू में थे हम बहुत फ्रेशर में थे, जैसे मैं ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था कि मैं नहीं जीत। पहले बॉल जो मैंने किया ना तो ऐसा लगा कि पिच बहुत सख्त है, तो मैंने अपना 100% और बाकी बॉलर को भी समझाया कि बॉल आगे करें, क्योंकि अगर ब्लॉक होल में वो बॉल डाले इधर तो उसको खेलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाए।
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही बात है, आपने अपना दिमाग से मैच खेला। बहुत बैटिंग में थोड़ा सा आपको मुश्किल हुआ, लेकिन बॉलिंग में अपना पूरा जोर लगाया और ऑफ कोर्स बैटिंग में आर्यन की वजह से आपका पूरा अच्छा स्कोर भी बन गया। तो बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको आगे के मैचेस के लिए, गुड लक। ठीक है, मिलते हैं।